How to use Hubspot CRM for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with using HubSpot. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is head on over to hubspot.com. And once you head on over to hubspot.com, you can actually go into their pricing to take a look at what kind of features you would be requiring for your CRM. HubSpot does provide you with a free trial, so you don't need to worry about having to purchase it directly. However, you have multiple different payment plans for businesses as well as individuals and teams. So if you're an individual and you're just looking to get started, you have some free marketing tools and free CMS tools as well. Then if you are a starter, you can get started with monthly billing at $20 a month for the essentials of your sales, marketing, service, and operations software. And then the professional version starts at a higher price. Now, let's get into actually signing up for HubSpot. So you can click on Get Started on the top right over here. And once you click on Get Started, we are going to sign up for HubSpot. So you can click on Get Started for free, or you can get the demo of a premium plan. So to create your free account, you are going to enter your email address over here. And once you enter your email address, you're going to click on Verify Email. So a code would be sent to your email, and you're just going to open up your mail that you entered on HubSpot. And you are going to log in or, enter the code, and you can proceed with your next step. I am going to continue with a newer email like this, and then we're going to resend our mail. And once you have received the code, you're going to copy this code and enter it back into HubSpot, and then you're going to click on Next. Once you click on Next, you can get started with signing up with a suitable password. So your password needs to have, 8 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 1 number or symbol, and then you can click on Next. After that, you're going to enter your first name and your last name, and then you can click on Next. Then you're going to add the industry that you are in that you want to use HubSpot for. So we are going to be continuing our example with the retail industry, and then you're going to click on Next. Then you're going to enter your role in your company, and then you're going to enter your company name. So let's say our company name is Aurora. And then you're going to enter how many people you have in your company, as well as your company website. Now, for a lot of people, if you don't have a company website, you can link to any website. But obviously, if you're using a CRM, you probably do have a website. For us, we are going to just continue with a Wix website that we previously created. So I am just going to go into Wix, and we're going to proceed with the website URL of our website. And you can copy your website URL from any website you have, even if it's a free domain. That if it's a WordPress domain or a free domain, you can obviously still add that. It is not required for you to have a paid domain. You can use any free domain that you have. So I have just entered our domain, and then after that, you are going to choose where your data should be stored. So it really doesn't matter, but it shows you the recommended location depending on where you are located. So for us, it's the United States. If you're located in Europe, it might be Europe for you, so you can proceed with Europe. And just like that, you can click on Get Started. Now, after that, you can choose your startup option, so that just makes it easier for you to get started. So the first thing you can do is use a template. So if you want a sales template, a marketing template, a customer service template, you can apply that template, or you can set it up manually. We're going to proceed with a template to make it easier for us to sign up. So let's say our primary goal over here is to be able to do some marketing. And you guys will see the type of template it is. So it's, the first section is assignee or columns. And let's say I want to manage my subscribers in marketing. I want to track event attendees, or I want to manage public relations. It all depends on the type of use case you have. So let's say I want to manage customers or manage renewals, or if I want sales. So I want to track my sales pipeline. I want to manage partners or manage renewals, manage customers. And you have multiple different options in that. So let's say we're going to go with our marketing, and we want to manage our subscribers. After that, you're going to click on Apply Template over here. And don't worry, you can customize this as you want, but on the top, you have some sample options where you can get started with a sample. Or if you want, you can customize your sections as well. So if you want, this is just, a sample section to get started with, and you can enter your own names over here at the bottom as well. But we're going to skip and just use our sample contacts. And now from here, you can add any teammates that you want to use HubSpot with. So any people that are working with you can be added over here. But we're just going to skip this and head on over directly to our HubSpot CRM. So that's how easy and simple it is to get started on HubSpot. Now, once you have created your HubSpot account, you will be able to see this is going to be your basic section. And once you have completed your basic sign up, you will see your HubSpot CRM and all of the basic information. So we want 50 per page, and we are going to now go into the different sections. On the top, you have your basic toolbar, and in your basic toolbar, you have some updated features that have also integrated AI, and that is something that you're not going to find in a lot of CRMs just now. So from here, we have multiple different options. So we have newsletter subscribers, we have subscriber fields, we have all customer fields, and on the top left, you have your contacts, and you can add companies as well as calls. Then you have your inbox, and then you have some marketing tools, which all include free landing pages that you can build with HubSpot CRM, as well as email and ads. Then you have your sales section where you have multiple different levels of sales in your funnel. You have your feed section where you can get started with connecting your sales activity over here. Then you have your deals section, which can help you in estimating any potential deals that you have with other businesses. Then you have a forecast section, which is included in the professional plan of HubSpot, which allows you to see the potential growth of your business. Now, next up, you have your task section where you can get started by setting up tasks for your team to accomplish or for you to accomplish to make it easier for you to manage your customers, marketing, and sales. Then you have your automation and reporting features. Now on the top right, you have your store link, and then you also have some other features, including your pricing to upgrade to a premium plan, any calls you might want to schedule, and then your basic user preferences or settings in your HubSpot account. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into contacts over here, and we can get started by clicking on create contact. And we are just going to click on create contact. And we can enter any email that we want and any name that you might have. And then after that, I'm just gonna add a name, add a job title. You can add a phone number, you can add the life cycle stage. So let's say this is a potential lead that we have, and you have the lead status. So this is in progress, and you can click on create. Now, each contact that you create can be linked with a number of items. So this is one contact we created, and we can add a note to this particular contact. We can add an email, a number, a task related to this person, a meeting, and other items as well. Plus, you also can add company related information, deal related information, ticket related information, and payments over here on the right. Now, if you have any deal and you added this person in the deal, you will be able to see all of the revenue opportunities that are associated with your particular contact or customer. In the same way, you can also link companies together with people, and you can link your companies with deals as well. Now, if we go into the marketing features of HubSpot, there are some basic marketing features that are integrated to Mail, where you can integrate MailChimp into HubSpot as well to get started with email marketing, as well as start tracking your ad data. So you can go into the ad account and click on Connect Account, and you can connect your Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn ads account to be able to see how your ads are performing on these platforms. Now, after that, you have your ticketing section, which can be a really long and time-consuming thing when you are running a retail business. So it's a lot easier when you're doing it on HubSpot because you have a simple system where you can track all of your open tickets, all of your unassigned tickets, and you can assign a particular ticket to a particular person. So to create a ticket, you can just enter which pipeline it belongs to, and you can create multiple pipelines, enter a ticket name, status, and info, and you can assign a particular person to resolve a ticket as well. So these are just some of the basic features of HubSpot. It's pretty effective and it's a pretty simple setup. Anyone can get started, even as a beginner, and it has all of the basic tools that you would need for a basic CRM. Although there are some upgrades that I do think are necessary to use this long term, But if you are looking to just get started, HubSpot can be a great option for everyone. So if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will catch you guys in the next video.